My name is Danielle Leisner and I studied communication. So I have been working with Domino's Pizza for 5 years. I started out as a market analyst with our franchise development team, so I looked around the country to figure out where we should put more stores. 3 years ago, I transitioned into our leadership development program, or what we call internally the People Pipeline. Essentially, it's an operations-focused program that allows you to become an assistant manager and a general manager within an actual store. We have some corporate markets that we're placed in, and then after your time as a GM, you work your way up to a supervisor. So I had 6 general managers reporting to me for about 2 years. That's when I lived in Phoenix, Arizona, and right now I'm currently a business consultant for our Canadian business. So I support all 500 plus stores in Canada through their day-to-day business. So I'm really helping them to analyze their portfolio, make smart business decisions, see upcoming opportunities, and really find the success to be the number one in their market. So I found out about Ferris because I was actually initially interested in our pharmacy program. I worked as a cashier in a local pharmacy and thought, I need to do this. Where can I do this at the best place possible? And that was Ferris. So the original reason that I transitioned out of a pharmacy major to a communication major was really just the need to continue to connect with people. As I got more involved on campus, I saw that connecting with people would really put me far in my career, and so communication was that spot for me. This is bringing back really fond memories, actually. I was very involved at campus pretty much from the moment that I stepped on, to the campus. I was a part of the honors program. I remember the first week at school, we called it mandatory fun days, but it was essentially just a way to really bond with the other kids in the honors program. And then everything that I did in that program really connected later in life to how to just excel and try to be the best that you can be, regardless of what you're studying or who you're with. That was the very first thing that I joined, and then within weeks went to the Panhellenic recruitment and joined Alpha Sigma Tau. I also was involved with our student ambassador program, so I really enjoyed introducing Ferris to potential new students. And then most importantly, I think a really big memorable piece of my college experience was the Student Alumni Gold Club. So not only did I get a chance to connect with other students who had similar interests, but I really got to see what the life of an alumni looks like. What are expectations after you graduate? What happens after you graduate? So some of those programs that I got to be involved in made a really lasting impact. And then finally, I was also part of our debate program, and that has been instrumental in just really understanding how to put together logical facts and reasonings and sell a business case, which really relates to my current position now. Since graduating, I have made sure to attend a few of the alumni events that are put on. I believe I went to a baseball game in Grand Rapids, a golf outing at Topgolf, which was so fun when I was living in Phoenix, Arizona, and then most recently, after I moved back to Ann Arbor, I attended a hockey game at the Red Wings game. That was fantastic. I think it's really important to stay connected to your college after you've graduated, because it's a huge part of your life, and as you continue to grow and develop professionally, you may not realize all the connections and the networking opportunities that perhaps you didn't take while you were still there, but now you have access to that, and what could be better?